Hello everyone, in today's video, we will explore the types of machine learning. Let's get into the topic. What is machine learning? Machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence that enables computers to learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed. It works by analyzing data, identifying patterns, and making predictions or decisions based on that data. Over time, the system adapts and becomes better at solving problems, making it widely used in applications like recommendation systems, self-driving cars, and fraud detection. The main types of machine learning: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning, semi-supervised learning. Supervised learning. Supervised learning is a machine learning method where a model is trained on labeled data, linking inputs to correct outputs. The algorithm identifies patterns to predict outcomes for new, unseen inputs. Key applications: spam email detection, stock price prediction, medical diagnosis. Example: teaching a system to recognize cats by providing labeled images of cat and not cat. Unsupervised learning. Unsupervised learning is a machine learning type that analyzes unlabeled data to find hidden patterns. Techniques such as clustering, e.g., k-means, and dimensionality reduction, PCA, are common. Applications include grouping customers by shopping habits, identifying anomalous network activity for cybersecurity, and simplifying image data for processing, with uses in customer segmentation, fraud detection, and market analysis. Reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning, RL, is a machine learning method where an agent learns by trial and error, interacting with its environment. It receives rewards for correct actions and penalties for mistakes, improving its strategy over time. Key applications include gaming AI, robotics, self-driving cars, and personalized recommendations. Semi-supervised learning. Semi-supervised learning improves model accuracy by combining a small set of labeled data with a larger amount of unlabeled data. This approach is useful when labeling is costly. Example: labeling a few medical images to help the model identify diseases in a larger set of unlabeled images. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.